And that's real talk. Yo, what's good, Real Talk TV? It's your girl Brizzy, and we are back at it again on the channel. Hey, if this your first time stopping to the channel, well, welcome. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy content like this. And without further ado, y'all already know. Let's get into it. Alright, you guys, now in today's video, your girl out here in Big Island, Virginia. Now, it's nice, and I'm up here at the GP, the Georgia Pacific. And yeah, this will be probably my second time really encountering snow. On the first time, me and my friend B, aka Brian, if y'all haven't saw the video with him on the channel, check that one out with Cash and James. But yeah, this will be my second time really, and your girl just wanted to really honestly shoot y'all some content out here, show y'all what they expect and things like that and whatnot. But yeah, y'all already know. Let's just get into it. Y'all come in here, they will, give y'all instructions on where to go. I'm gonna hit that first left, then that first right, and you'll park over here, which is where I'm at right now. And then it looks like we gotta walk up to the scale. But yeah, they pretty much give you instructions too. Also, don't be afraid to ask, your fellow truck fellas out here and females. They willing to help you every step along of the way, cause we all in this together. So yeah, let's get out of here. Alright, once you gain your paperwork and stuff, you're going to get right here on the scale. And then if you get a load from here as well, you'll just check in with that paperwork. Alright, make sure you always, change your duty status. Clinton and Marcinelle, and they'll show you how to get that hours of service down pat. And just, make sure you put yourself in the right duty statuses and stuff like that. Alright, y'all, let's go get on the scale. Now, some things to keep in mind, y'all, when y'all out here, you gonna see the ice and notice that the ice out there is turning black. So when it freezes and it get hard on the ground, that's what you call black ice. So when you out here, if you feel unsafe, don't hesitate to, go ahead and shut it down, because it's not worth, hurting yourself or just messing up your CDL period. So yeah. Let's get on this scale. this first look. Let's head to the docks. Alright, you guys, so now they finna get ready to unload me. Got a red hood. Once it turns green, you already know you can go back up to the front where we checked in at and then get your paperwork and stuff. But I'm also too picking up a load here, so yeah, and then we'll just head out. But yeah, this place is pretty sweet, straightforward. Ain't too much, you know, extra or whatnot. Now, some things to keep in mind, I would say, with dealing with the snow would be, honestly, is most importantly your safety. Just drastically reducing your speed, making sure you're alert, like weather alert, everything as a whole. You also too want to keep your following distance very good. And as well, just being precautious, period, over the border. And most importantly, keeping them tire chains on you, which, you know, they'll show you in orientation on how to do. Now, due to, you know, the severity of the snow, you want to chain up because it enhances your traction over the road. And keep in mind, too, you can only go about, like, 25 miles per hour. I ain't have to chain up because the snow, it wasn't that bad. Also too, they put salt on the road too, so the roads are pretty, you know, decent, so I didn't have to chain up. So, you know, due to the severity, you know, that's when you need to chain up. But I'll drop a video showing how we put the chains on.
Begin the installation by uncoiling the cable chains and laying them out flat on the ground, removing any tangles or twists. Connect the middle of the outer side cable at the hook and lug and drape the cable chain over the tire with the end fasteners toward the ground. The orange tightener hooks should be facing away from the tire, with the smooth side of the hooks towards the tire. Tuck the first cross chain of the non-fastener end of the cable chain under the tires as much as possible, while keeping the cross chain centered to the tires, and move the vehicle until the tire passes over the second cross chain. Reach to the inside of the tire and connect the inside quick hook to the connecting link. Connect the remaining outside hook and lug, making sure that both outside hooks are connected at the tightest lug possible. Install 2 rubber tighteners by stretching them one at a time from one hook to the next, using the included tool to aid the completion of installation. Stopping periodically after driving to check on the cable chains is recommended.
Also, too, wanted to show y'all a little, working in the making of my apparel I got going on. This is the hoodie right here. It's okay, decent hoodie. Start off with, you gotta start somewhere, and that's what I'm realizing. Like, the quality is okay, but I'm gonna still get some better suppliers in the making as well, though. So I'm gonna have more than one. But yeah, I like it for its first sample. But I'm finna get some other workers to work. This is a shirt right here. But yeah, y'all drop some stuff in the comment section. Let me know how y'all feeling about this, But yeah, your girl working. So yeah. This GP pretty smooth. Like, nothing too complicated, of course not anything. The GPs are pretty much good, most of them. Some on you will be waiting, but overall they all pretty good. But yeah, if y'all found value in this video today, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps our YouTube algorithm and new subscribers to find my channel. But yeah, until next time, y'all already know. I'll see y'all later.